What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some Kizers to check out real quick. I think is 3 of them, maybe. Yes, okay, 3 of them. All right, set that down there. Let's start checking these out. What order do we want to go? This looks like a nicer box, so we'll put that one last. Check out this one. What is this? This is the Kizer Feist by Justin Lindquist. 154 cm, Blackstone wash, denim. And steel liner. Okay, let's check this out. Denim. Oh, okay, okay. Looks like my jeans. Obviously, does this come off? Oh, so there you go. You have a nice little Velcro pouch or patch right there. Kizer denim product. Okay. Reminds me of like old school grandma jeans, where they're super thick and everything like that. Or bibs. Yes, some old blue jean bibs. So sorry. I don't know why it drives me crazy, but that's alright though. What we all got in here? Okay, so you just have some extra screws. So okay, I see what this is. This is just like a knife roll. Okay. So you could put extra knives in here, so that's okay. I'll give it that. That's kind of cool. Fit a few extra knives in there, some small stuff right in here. Okay, that's not so bad. I'll leave the grandma jeans alone. I won't make fun of them too hard. But this is the Feist. Let's get this out. Let's check it out. A little guy. Front flipper. Oh, okay. Not shabby, not too shabby. Not very good at it yet, though. Move that out of the way so I don't hurt myself. I like the blade shape, the way it looks. Honestly, I like the way it looks overall. It's very slim, small. Jimping's right here, but that's just for the front flipper, so you can choke up. Like, it's a very small knife, like I said, so you can definitely get out there on it. Not a bad little knife. I like this. It's not quite like a 5th carry, I would say, but it's definitely small. Like, you're not going to really notice it in your pocket too much. It is a righty only, though. As you can see right there, it's smooth right there. The pocket clip and the screws are recessed, so another bonus. You have a couple. Oh, you only have one. You only have one little pivot right there. Not pivot, but back spacer, back pivot, or back bar. Sure, we'll call it that for the moment. Little pocket clip. It's a little light. Like, it definitely would work, obviously. But what I'm saying is feels like it's a thin one because I can move it very, very easily. But kind of an overall little. I almost said cute for a second. It's almost a cute little knife. Nice little knife, though. I like that. There you got your 154 cm right there. Says it. Your Feist, your Lundquist design. That's kind of nice. Nice little. If this is denim? I thought denim was only blue. I don't know. It's nice though. I like it. I dig it. Let's go for number 2. This is the Comet. Kizer Comet with designer Paul Munko. 154 cm, blade satin, brass, and denim. And steel liner denim. Is that like the RD? Like, is that like roll? Is that what that means? So maybe that's Micarta. I thought blue was denim, obviously. So I guess that's what it's saying, the denim roll. I think. I guess. So same thing, screws. Another red one. The art. Duh. Okay. Let me correct myself. Denim. RD stands for red. Dummy. I'm assuming that's what it stands for since look, it's red, right? Alright, so this is the Comet. Let's check out Comet. Maybe find Cupid and Donner. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Kind of small though for the handle. I'm not a big fan of these, like when they're in the way. Especially if it's got a smaller handle. I wish the handle was a little bit bigger. Even though my hands do fit on it pretty well, I wish it was a hairball bigger. Flips open very well though. Nice and snappy. There you go, snappy, like I said. So like I said, there's Comet, Munko knives, and there you go, Kizer and 154 CM. So I kind of like the little, is that titanium, I'm guessing? What did it say? Steel liners? And steel liner also. So obviously I'll have more information later, but it's kind of nice. I don't like the shiny right there. I feel like if they would have done black with it, I think that would have maybe made it a little better. But I think they were just trying for that pop design, that pop look. I guess that's what it's doing, I guess. But I guess what's throwing me off is the stonewash pocket clip, like that gray. I feel like it just doesn't match. It's just it stands out in an odd way. Is what I guess what I'm trying to say. It just doesn't look right. Overall, though, not bad. I like it. It's blade's a little thin compared to I like out here. Like I feel like it gets a little thin. This looks a little bit. I don't know. It's probably great for like fine work and everything like that, fine cutting and everything. So it's not shabby there. I do like it. It's a snappy little thing. Kind of wipe it down. There we go. So not bad. I kind of like it though. I don't mind the color. I hate red. I hate the color red, but that's not bad. I can live with that. That's definitely livable. Okay, this is the one I've been wanting to check out. The chili pepper, which designer is Swags. It's the S90V blade black, toxic storm, and button lock. Okay. This is the one I've been wanting to check out for a while. Just haven't got the chance to till now. Yada yada yada, normal paperwork stuff. We got some thumb studs, some screws. Oh, here we go. Anything else in there? Nope, nothing else, nothing else. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, okay. Chili pepper, front flipper. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. And it definitely, I've always wanted to check it out just because it looked like a jalapeno chili pepper. That was a weak front flip, my bad. Not very impressive. There we go. I think we got the hang of it now after two more. There we go, 3 in a row. We're good. Definitely a odd design, odd look. But then again, like I thought the Padre was a little odd at first, like the handle, because it's got that kind of curve to it. And it grew on me, and I liked it. And I kind of like it. It's not bad. It's just different. Um, Check out that carbon fiber. All right. I do like that. I like the Toxic Storm. I'm not a big yellow person. I actually don't like the color yellow. But it goes well with like the green and the black, that type of look. So, then you got your S90V right there. Kizer. You got your chili pepper and your swag design with a heart. Yeah, is that what that? Yeah. Okay. There you go. With a heart underneath. How cute. Adorbs. How adorbs. So again, button lock, very nice, works very well. Kind of have it chiseled out like the little sectioned off right there, so it doesn't stick up too awful far out of the actual handle. So that's not a bad one. So obviously once it's closed, like it doesn't stick out at all right here. So that's cool. That's good. Not bad. Not bad. Some very green thumb studs. So if you want the black thumb studs, it comes with this. So if you want to kind of match the handle a little better or the blade, kind of hide it a little bit, I think that's perfect for you. It flips open pretty well. I would almost say, I would almost say these two right here open up a little bit better in my book. No, it doesn't open up bad. I think I just like the way those feel a little better. Yeah. Snappy though. It's still snappy. And it's kind of just got a really cool blade style, I think. It just looks kind of nice, kind of cool. Oh, great jimping on it though. Look at that right there. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. Not really too much. I like how this one is obviously minimal on the screws showing. like one, and then you have like, no, even on this side it literally is only one. Then on this side you have like your pivot, you have your pocket clip, and you have your one little screw right there. Minimal screws on these. There's really not a lot. And this one just has the pivot and this one right here. Then you have your pocket clips right there in that one, so not bad. It is reversible too, except the pocket clip in this, the pocket clip's not recessed, but the screws are. Looks like that one right there needs a little tightened up a little bit. It's poking up a little bit. The liner is hollowed out a little bit, so it's a pretty light little guy right here. But overall, not bad. I would say this is a pretty good 3 knives right here. I like them. If I want to pick which one I like, it's dummy. It sounds probably like I'm a dummy, but I like this one the best, the Feist. And then, honestly, this one, I do like this one. I don't know why it reminds me like a shark. So, I like sharks. They're cool. But, yeah, just in case you guys wanted to know, right? But it's snappy. It works well. It opens up. Excuse me. Just just a little odd things on it, like color-wise and stuff like that. But, yeah, I like these two a lot. This one's still good. Don't get me wrong. I really like it still, but I think these two just kind of pop for me. That's all I really got, though. If you guys like another one better, let me know. Like, if you guys like the chili pepper, let me know down in the comment section. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. And if you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.